Hello friends, the technicians at this well-known appliance repair shop in the city shared these tips with us, so pay attention because we're going to solve this issue. When a customer brings in their washing machine showing NL, they usually say, "It stopped and NL appeared, it won't do anything." In the shop, we explain that this code indicates a problem with water level or flow detection. In other words, the machine thinks it's not getting enough water and stops automatically to protect itself. In fact, many customers tell us the washing machine was working perfectly and suddenly NL showed up. Essentially, the machine is warning that something is blocking the water flow or that the sensor is sending incorrect information. That's why the first thing we check in the shop is the water inlet and hose filters, because they're often dirty or partially blocked. One expert said, "I cleaned the hose filter and everything went back to normal," showing that many times the solution is simpler than it seems. Next, if the water inlet and filters are clean and the error continues, we focus on the water level sensor or pressure switch, which could be blocked or misaligned. As one technician explains, if the sensor doesn't detect the level correctly, the board thinks there's no water and shows NL. This is quite common in washing machines that have been used for several years. We also check the sensor and board connections because a loose wire can trigger the same error. One technician told me, "I disconnected and reconnected everything and it worked again," proving that often nothing needs to be replaced, just make sure the connections are secure. On the other hand, in rarer cases, the problem may be the water inlet valve or the electronic control board, especially in older machines or those exposed to power surges. As a technician says, "Before replacing the board, I always check the valve and sensor. Most of the time it's just dirt or a loose wire.